this nation, plan your future well. Respect the return of the Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu. Respect to IPOB all over the world. You people are encouraging. Our freedom is here. Youth of this nation, plan your future well, What you plan today is what you harvest tomorrow. Youth of this nation, plan your future well, What you plan today is what you harvest tomorrow. My supreme leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu plan well. That's why he is the world best freedom fighter. Mazi Uchemo for plan well. He's the world best deputy freedom fighter. Youth of Biafra, plan your future well so you can enjoy this your great nation. For Biafra is the nation to lead another nation. Biafra is the light of Africa. Biafra is the rising sun that shines from Africa. The world can you see? We are the best. Radio Biafra is the best among the rest. If you doubt me, tune down your radio to 102.1. That's the Radio Biafra. Hey, you know this nation. Hey, plan your future well. Biafra is the future. Biafra knows today. Biafra is the future. Biafra knows tomorrow. You know this nation. You know this nation. Plan your future well. We are the nation to lead another nation. Plan your future well. You harvest tomorrow. What a man sow is what he reaps. What a man reap is what he sows. If you sow good, you must reap good. If you sow bad, you must reap bad. You sow love, you must reap love. You sow peace, you must reap peace. What a man sow is what he reaps. In case of very side, you lie on it. That's why I said to you, know this nation. Plan your future well, what you plan today is what you harvest tomorrow. Biafra send you go to school, it's for your brighter future. Biafra send you learn work, it's for your brighter future. Don't let Nigeria mislead you. Do your thing, let them do them thing. What you think is not what they think. Think for your future. Biafra is the future. Nnamdi Kanu is the savior of this generation. Youth of this nation, plan to be a savior of another nation. We are the nation to lead another nation. This nation, I'm on your future well. What you plan today? Nobody last Mommy, don't cry. Daddy, hello Biafra. Now we be the Biafra. Hello Biafra. I want you Biafra. Hello Biafra. Now we be the Biafra. Hello Biafra. I want you Biafra. Hello Biafra. Freedom is here. Hello Biafra. I want you Biafra. Freedom is here. It's hey. Yeah. You walk it Hey, Papa God, I want to thank you for this beautiful thing what you did do for us. Finally Biafra is here. So make you never give up. I know yes, they killed us many years back. I know, yes, they try to pull us down, but this kind of walk this way. Thank you for all the good things. Now you don't make us better. Now everything done better. Now thank you for the good things. See everything done better. We're living fine. Kai gawadiru kai kakulanyo brother biko gawadiru it makes me cry when I see my brothers being killed. Nigerian soldiers keep on killing us because we said for freedom. Yeah, take my life, but you can never take away that joy. Freedom is ours. We got what it takes to live. Hello, Biafra. Hello, Biafra. Now we be the Biafra. Hello, Biafra. Hello, Biafra. Hello, hello. Awumoye Biafra. Hello, Biafra. Hello, Biafra. Freedom is yeah. Hello, Biafra. Hello, Biafra. Awumoye Biafra. Biafra, my country. My country, Biafra. Yes, we never give up. Yes, we no go give up. Never give up. No, they give up. My country, Biafra. We no go give up. Biafra, Biafra, Biafra. Everywhere you go. We have what it takes, we have what it takes. Biafra, yeah, yeah, yo.
Yes, once again, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and to some of you, good night, depending on your time zone. This is Radio Biafra Extra. We are streaming live through Radio Biafra London. Radio Biafra London is the only voice speaking for Biafran people. Those who have placed us in this condition have a lot of media outfits to propagate their lie. Within and outside Nigeria, they have allies. This is the only voice that speaks for us. And it is going to be unfortunate for any Biafran who will not yield to the gospel that is coming from this radio station. If indeed the Almighty Creator identify with radio station, this is the only one he identify with. For in due season, he recompense every man according to what he deserves. You do good, you see good. You do bad, you see bad. But of course, Radio Biafra London is being anchored by the deputy leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. Mazi Uchuka from Efo. He is from Abatete. Abatete is in Anambra. And Anambra State is Biafra land. He's the man who simply said the heart of this project will not see corruption. Everything we tell you is viable, and of course, you go and prove it. Go and prove it. All the truths that have been hidden from us as a people is now being revealed. Mazi Choka from Efo simply say the heart of this project will not see corruption. That is why there are many radio stations talking about Biafra restoration. In the morning, they have, do you know that Yoruba people are Biafrans? Do you know that when you go to Olomosho, they are Igbo who migrated there in the Oshi? Most of you don't know that Ezasaki now is Igbo man. He's a Biafra now. Go and look at Iruanya Radio. Ezasaki is Igbo man now. He's a Biafra. Yes, history told us. History told us very soon Shika will be Igbo man, because history is telling us in the Ushi. But of course, without the words of Mazi Mefo, we are gone as a people. But of course, he's standing in a deputizing capacity on behalf of our supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He's the prince of Afari Beku, heir to the throne of Ibeku kingdom. And I see some people, they try to compare. Honestly, I may not approve of any man, but there are things quality that you are made up of. Nobody can contest it. Nobody. Oh, let's be like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu after stealing Nigeria money. After eating from this evil called Nigeria, he are coming to fight freedom. Ndioshi. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is from Afari Beku. The last time I checked, he has not eaten Nigeria money. If he has done contract for them, it's good and fine. A contract that cannot be contradicted. Because if not, by now, he go see something. He go see something. But of course, he didn't soil his hand. And that is why Jesus said, I've walked among you. Satan and his agent have been unleashed against me. But my hands are clean. They cannot hold me down. You don't chop belly food from Nigeria. You don't conscious that hey, we are Biafran, it's our Biafran, self-determination, Bill of Rights, what will be the name of the one? Resource control. Nobody commands our loyalty. For almost 60 years, nobody can come out and speak for the collective interest of the Biafran people until Mazi Nnamdi Kanu came. Now all of us can talk. And by the grace of Chukwu Kikabiam, I remain George Unibe. I am from Abo. Abo is in Delta State, and Delta State is Biafra land. For the avoidance of doubt, every piece of land in Delta State is Biafra. And I welcome you. How do they use the English? Formidable Biafrans. I forget that Mazime for English. But of course, genuine IPOB member. Did I say member? IPOB citizens. I welcome you tonight. I say, shall be well with you. But above all, we say, may Chukwu Kikabiama be praised. May he be praised. May he be praised. For the enemy has gathered against us in one way, but he has made them to flee in 7 ways. For like flood they came, he raised a standard against them. Of course, they will not cry in the open yet, but they shall cry in the open. This is just the beginning. For the avoidance of doubt, we must continue. Without wasting much of our time, this is a brief segment where we look into our past. Because if you don't know where you are coming from, how will you know where you are going to? You know, there was a day I sampled my children. I said, tell me where you come from. Because they were finding it difficult to speak Abo. And my first son, when he wanted to call his name in Abo dialect, he was almost speaking in tongue. I said, Ta, Onyamwe. He said, Daddy, I pronounce it. I said, Ta, Kuwa fine. Unbelievable. How will he know it's from Abo? When I gave birth to him in Jamaica, and he's now speaking Jamaica, he's speaking Uyibu. When he get to Abo, Alionia won't run, they will chase him out. And I told him, you can't enter that town. No. You can form your ejabo, do slave queen and slave king. When you come home, you can't speak Abo. You are a stranger. Alionia won't run. What is your name? Daddy, my name is. Are you a puppy? That day no be small thing. No. But why am I bringing it up? Because you don't know how fortunate you are when you teach your children their language. I've never been proud of my parents than to know that there is nothing that exists on the face of this planet Earth that I don't know their name in Abo. It's unbelievable. Because I know where I'm coming from. My parents did their job well. And honestly, I'm grateful to all of them. My late mother and my father, I'm grateful for them. There is nothing on this, even the technology they have not manufactured. I know their name in Abo. That is how it should be. This is a segment we say, back to your root, back to your root. Forget about waiting and tell you. Talk the one where you see, back to your root. Because if you don't know where you are coming from, certainly you will not know where you are going to. Some of the things you are doing here, most of you will not understand. But believe me, one day you shall. You shall. We're only praying that it will not be too late at that moment. On this segment, the team remain back to your root. And our topic this evening is the history of insecurity in Nigeria. The history of insecurity in Nigeria. Everywhere, insecurity, Fulani herdsmen, Miatiala, Boko Haram, Tinubu boys, everybody, Uluwale boys, everybody. Different criminals everywhere. But yet we were born in a society where you leave your door open. Then nobody told me. I witnessed it. I witnessed it. Should it be 1976? Even between 1976 to 1980, there was no criminal armed robber anywhere. Even till 1982, there is no history of armed robber anywhere in Nigeria. The zoo we are talking of. I tell you, when you are charged for breaking an entry, I don't know if there is any charge like that again. When you are caught, what you have in those days, they call it breaking an entry. That should be from 87 to 90. When they catch you for breaking an entry, it's like you have committed a crime unimaginable. So I was born in a time where you are going to school, you have iron, one rod, a curve like arc, C, a little curve C. You just chuck it in the hole in your door. You twist it, param, it will remove the bolt. You twist it back again, param, it will put the bolt. You put it on top of the door and you go away. Even the dog in our compound, we leave pot of soup, we dry rabbits, leave it outside there. Dog will be looking at the meat. Even dog with Nigeria and then we're born again. Who born the dog to chop meat where they put for fire? Today, self, if dog hungry, self, he go chop or gap again. That is how bad it has become. No wonder why musicians sing. Nambu udelele lionye nde ngosonozo. Manata udere werigu iwe. Juzozu kande government na nde nchikowa burozu lawa. Nambu onye ngulo tie. Who is there? Onyo sha boss onyo amamane. Oh my God. Manubua onyo shi tie. Who is there? Onye ngulo anyo amamane. Banshi ya kwa tupu of onye jo ajuju. Ndi ohi. And they say, oh, it's okay, we are developing. Why can't we develop into a good thing? We weakness Nigeria. When Nigeria was Nigeria. When Nigeria was human country. Not now that it's animal country. And so when we see all these things happening, we must know, where did it start? But these are hard truths nobody wants to talk about. The history of insecurity in the Nigerian state started in 1983. In 1983, I'm not talking about all those area boys trained by British government, because British government actually picked some of them, trained them. After training them, they brought them here. I'm not talking about those ones. Because even when British government have trained the like of Jack Gowon, go and look at Buhari now, Jubri. He's trying to tell you that British government are the one with his document now. They train all of them. Jack Gowon, Babangida, Abacha, Adekule, Black Scorpion, all those criminals who led the war for Nigeria were all British mercenaries. They represent Freddie Lugard. They're not talking about them. We are talking about after finally they felt they have subdued the Biafran nation. And what did they do at the end of the day? They say, okay, let us come back to the demonstration of Chris. And most of you are very proud. Oh, it's a democracy. It's a democracy. Oh, please, let's come back to the demonstration of Chris. It was in when was even Awolowo then? That they now do fake election as they always does. Then Alhaji Shehu Oligari, Shehu Oligari is the president. Oh, deputized by Salas Ekweme, playing politics of appeasement, and they came into office as innocent as baby, with transparency and willing to serve their nation. They were proud to call their own. And then, only God knew all of a sudden, hoodlum came. The real terrorists started. The criminals that are causing mayhem and everywhere, insecurity you see today, started. Who started it? Buhari. The first democratic elected president of Nigeria was removed out of office through what they call coup d'etat. Who led the coup? Buhari overthrow. So when you, all of you, hopeless, all of you are saying, you know, Buhari is disciplined. He started the first area boss in Nigeria. Buhari. But who is going to say it? They want to say, oh, he's a good man, he's fighting corruption. Go and ask Mbaka. He's a Buhari children don't like money. Buhari wife is a virtuous woman. Buhari is very holy. They don't sleep. They are thinking on how to make our life better. And exactly they are doing it. Is your life not better now? Is your life not better? Buhari started this gang of area boy you are seeing today. When you say, how did we get here? Give it to Buhari. You give it to Buhari. So you must know where you are coming from. So you know where we are going to. You are trying to deceive us, distract us. We don't know. Buhari started gangarism. Not be so that they call him a big gangsterism. Buhari started amalgamanism. Ndioshi, it is Buhari. Because Fulanis don't want Igbo man to be there. Unless Ekweme must be humiliated. They rally all of them down with their gang of Fulani headsmen. Miatiala and Boko Haram. They bear a different name then. Is it Mataisin they call themselves? It is Buhari. And then he become a chairman. Buhari that cannot brush his teeth. Buhari that cannot clean his bumper when he go to toilet. Begin to rule Nigeria. People, other mercenaries trained by British government like him. Like Obasanjo said, no. I'm more intelligent than Buhari. If Buhari can do it, I can do it. Now competition come. That is the history of Boko Haram. That is the history of armed robber and criminals. Everybody must eat. Everybody. So when they ask you, when did the Fulani herdsmen started? Tell them it is Buhari that introduced it. It started in Buhari time. So now you know where we are coming from. So when you are seeing the state of the nation insecurity, do not bother yourself. It didn't start today. And then one will begin to ask himself. You need to understand that when you hear, oh, insecurity, oh, Fulani herdsmen, any name they call it, cultists, you should know who they are. But they will expose themselves in the end. Nigerian army carry gun, they kill Nigerian police. Shoot to them well. Even when those policemen were dying and say, oh, we be part of una terrorists, so don't kill us, so hey, now we will. They still kill them. And now Oga of Army say, I thought they were kidnapper. But he's right. Most of you will not agree. He's right. Because Nigerian army look like kidnapper. Nigerian police look like kidnapper. Nigerian navy look like kidnapper. Nigerian security agent look like kidnapper. Militant are kidnapper. Bandit are kidnapper. Fulani herdsmen are kidnapper. Governors, all of them are kidnappers. He's right. Nigerian army, I love you. Next time, shoot governors on their convoy. Tell us they look like kidnappers. Because indeed they look like kidnappers. If you fought what you are saying, go and ask SARS. No, those of you who have seen SARS in operation, tell me, you come out and tell me that, no, they don't look like kidnapper. So Nigerians are correct. They look like kidnapper. So they have to shoot them. May Almighty Creator help all of you to discover more kidnapper like that. May Nigerian army open so they can see more governors kidnapper, more senators kidnapper, National Assembly kidnapper, because they need to be killed. Doesn't mean you don't have who control you. Oh, you are running franchise. And then Nigerian, hopeless Nigerians who don't see what is coming from there, they are busy speaking grammar. He cracks a leg, you say, you know, we are civilized. The state of insecurity you see in Nigeria today is just the simple handiwork of Nigerian government. Do you understand? During the election, they begin to train boys. They give them gun. To give people gun now one thing. To collect the gun another thing. To give somebody gun another thing. To collect another thing. Now make those of you who are saying, oh, we are Amomo, we are the defending Biafra. Just give us money to buy gun. To give them money to buy gun is one thing. To collect that gun is another thing. Nigeria was the one who bought gun and give youth. I can mention the name of governors and the name of boys they gave gun to. Today, to collect the gun is a problem. And now they are using the same government power to execute these boys. And most of you will follow them. Oh, he's a cultist, he's a militant. You think we are not going to look into the issue of the one, among others? then you better think again. But of course, those people lose focus. You gave them gun. Today, kill him, kill him. Buadike, mbehi kemiri, achowadike. Buadike, mbehi kemiri, achowadike. But of course, the Fulanis know how to manage their own. Have you seen them arrest Boko Haram? And some of you are still believing, oh, we have conquered Boko Haram. All of you will now cry, hey, thank God, you go and give Yoruba man money in the church in the name of testimony. They say, yes, testimony time. Everybody will come and say, you have testimony. They will now ask, hey, Madam Keti, what is it? He say, oh, mekwala mozo, oh, mi huku, Jehovah mekwala mozo. You now drop goat or chicken. Or you now give them a lot. Of course, they have POS, Yoruba church. They say, pray, hallelujah. What happened? Hey, Nigeria Army had defeat Boko Haram technically. They are now defeating Boko Haram androlically, technically, mechanically. They go, no, just hold on. They never start to the defeater. So now they deceive us, Abi. You're deceiving us, Abi. So Biafrans will wake up. We're talking about state of insecurity. As it concerns us as a people, we will defend our land. But it's not all this pattern all of you are using. They are making fool of us and we are looking at them. How did it start? Have you tried to find out? Who introduced it? It was actually meant to benefit some group of criminals. Buhari paid so many people from Niger Republic, among other terrorist African countries. All of them came to Abuja to make sure they massacre you Biafrans in Abuja, in the northern part of the zoo called Nigeria. If Goodluck has ever resisted being rigged out of office by Obama, so who is the real terrorist? They are deceiving you. But of course, they will use their hand to kill themselves. It is just the beginning. Let me tell us also, it cannot be stopped. You can't stop it. The state of insecurity in Nigeria cannot be stopped because the people who would have stopped it are the main stakeholders. They run franchise. Go and ask Buhari, all of them have their own group. That is why they come and they rake. They take your gun from you in Biafra land and give it to them. They import. Many countries help them to bring gun. It cannot be stopped, but it must be confronted. But in due time, let me tell you one secret. I'm just telling you what I feel. I'm not saying it anyway. I don't believe they will allow us to go freely. But we are operating on that mindset that the rest of the civilized world will understand that our freedom is due and let us go. And so even if I want to believe that Biafra will come freely, believe me, it's not. We are not waiting. We better prepare. Then it come freely. Now we are waiting for it to be freely, and we don't prepare. But of course, in making this preparation, we cannot create another monster in the quest of trying to kill another monster. Don't you get it? Don't you get it? Boko Haram, all of them, they must be confronted. How many barracks they build? They never build enough barracks. If we say we want to confront all these demons, all these cultists themselves, Nigerian army and police are the real terrorists. How many are they going to view? They will bring Egypt and other Soviet Union to come and fight us, Abi. Make una get ready. Make una get ready. But of course, you must know the genesis, where all these things come from, where he started from, before you talk about the revelation. People like, the state of insecurity is Tinubu have his own area boys, his own murderers. Give me the name of one politician. Let me tell you the name of his secret court and his gang. Now, his insecurity, it will get to all of you. So, prescription don't start. Hey, we prescribe IPOB from today, they are paracetamol. This now morning, everything in Nigeria must be prescribed. And finally, both the government and the corporates are all stakeholders. Don't make any mistake. When we say certain things, a lot of people don't understand. You will see in less than a kilometer, let's say half a kilometer, you have about 3 checking points. In between this checking point, you have armed robber with POS, robbing people, The moment they finish robbing, They kidnap the one they want to kidnap. They release the one they want to release. Then you will see Nigerian Army or SAS or Navy, as the case may be. They will just run. Woo, 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 woo. When you hear them blowing that, wow, 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 it means two things. Come on for road, we are carrying a robber. Come on for road, we are carrying a robber. Then, if it's not in a case we are carrying one of these criminals who call themselves politicians, where you hear, woo, 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 they are telling the armed robber, run, 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 we they can't take account, run, 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 we they can't take account. Then armed robber go say, then don't they come, oh, they not run. Then as they come, then go somersault like James Bond, shoot gun for air, then go shout, lie down, all of you lie down, don't move, don't move, don't move. You go call radio because say, oh, our police and army are formidable. They follow the armed robber bomber to bomber, fire by fire. Now lie. That is not the truth. That is not the truth. They must put up a shoe. And then maybe after 3 minutes of home video, Nollywood, they now call all of you. Come, all of you, come. Yes, Akawo will bring paper. They have secretary, you don't know. Yes, what is your name? Yeah, my name is Ikechukwu. How much did they take from you? You say 300,000. He said, you don't mean it. 300,000. Is it in foreign currency or normal denomination? All set, Yana. Did they take your phone? No. Okay, move ahead. Now, so they go ask all of them. Now, they say they won't recover that. Now, for check and balance, those of you who studied economics, check and balance. So when they reach their normal joint, they say, boy, men are no play smart to see the record. We collect 10 laptop, 20 Android phone, $15 with 360,000 naira. Make una no do smart here. If you not do it, we go shibaba now. So when they come in to pretend that they are saving you, it's a lie. It's a lie. There will be no state of insecurity until Nigeria end. Because both the criminals and the one pretending not to be the criminal, they are all stakeholders. They are the same people. They are the same people. Another criminal army went and shoot somebody in a bar. Then another criminal governor came and greeted them. Is it not the same thing? The one who died never die. They don't die. But we shall see how it ends. So, Biafrans, believing that there will be a state of security in Nigeria, why is still Nigeria is impossible. Make no mistake about that. I'll be back in a minute. Of course, our line will be open temporarily, and then you are free to call in. Tell us what you think about the state of insecurity. Advise our people what to do, because the last time I checked, there will always be state of insecurity as far as Nigerian concerned. Because all these your politicians, all these your army, all of them, anybody who call themselves Nigeria, they are potential criminal. They are potential Fulani herdsmen. Those of you who are not Nigerian listening to me, you see anybody who says he's a Nigerian, he's a potential Boko Haram. I'll be back in a minute.
Bamla Production. Your faith don't rather sing upon the mic. Hear me. Your business, your plan, your future well. Respect to the return of the Biafra, man, Namdekano. Respect to IPOB all over the world. You people are encouraging. Our freedom is here. Youth of this nation, plan your future well, What you plan today is what you harvest tomorrow. Youth of this nation, plan your future well, What you plan today is what you harvest tomorrow. My supreme leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu plan well, that's why he's a world best freedom fighter. Mazi Uchemo from plan well, he's a world best deputy freedom fighter. You don't be afraid, now your future well, so you can enjoy this, your great nation. For Biafra is the nation to lead another nation. Biafra is the light of Africa. Biafra is the rising sun that shine from Africa. The world can you see? We are the best. Radio Biafra is the best among the rest. If without me, tune down your radio to 102.1. At the radio Biafra. Hey,
You know this nation. Plan your future well.
Biafra is the future. Biafra is today. Biafra is the future. Biafra is tomorrow.
You know this nation.
You know this nation.
Plan your future well.
We are the nation to be the mother nation.
Today.
Plan your future well.
You have best tomorrow.
What a man so is what he reap. What a man reap is what he sow. If you sow good, you must reap good. If you sow bad, you must go reap bad. If you sow love, you must go reap love. If you sow peace, you must go reap peace. What a man so is what he reap. I place of very side, you lie on me. That's why I said
You know this nation.
all your people well. What you plan today is what you harvest tomorrow. Young man, then you go to school. Oh, it's for your brighter future. Young friends, then you learn what? Learn is for your brighter future. Don't let Nigeria mislead you. Do your thing, let them do them thing. What you think is not what them think. Think for your future. Biafra is the future. Namdekano is the savior of this generation. Youth of this nation, not to be a savior of another nation. We are the nation to lead another nation.
This nation.
I'm up,
Plan your future well. What you plan today.
nobody lasts.
Yes, sir, we must continue. We must continue. Do not think that there will be a state of security in Nigeria. There will never be. The only solution is Oduduwa must go their separate way. Arewa should go their separate way. The Biafrans must go their separate way. If not, this is the beginning of the hair. You dream of, you can imagine, you will experience it soon. Our lines are open. Our WhatsApp line remains 070-815-45642. Our WhatsApp line again is 070-815-45642. Our direct line is 081-221-52971. Our direct line, I said, is 081-221-52971. And the special number dedicated to the female is 081-288-58614. Special number for the female, 081-288-58614. Of course, when you call, tell us what threatens the security of your community. Advise your people in the villages they should get ready. Can you hear me? Caller on the line.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening from here. Your name and where are you calling from?
Yeah, my name is Chibike, calling from Aba.
Yes, go ahead. State situation report.
What happened in Aloji today? If I tell you this and confirm from Ugunabo coordinator, do you know that inspector of police are dealing with all those junkie in Aba? If they cover them, the boy faces, then use them, enter inside our market and point some big men, telling them that they are selling them some parts, they go them steal. Do you know today? So people are gathering, asking the policeman, open this guy's face. The policeman refused. Inspector of police too, open this guy's face. The man refused. Then the boy opened the face and run. Then we hold the policeman in Aloji and carry the man go to the union. So people gather and there is tension everywhere. So what our union do is just call the station to come and carry the inspector. And today, around 2:30 p.m. this afternoon, confirmed from Ogunabo coordinator. And it's true, all right. I'm talking about the notice day today. So that's what we in danger here. We're in danger. If police just, everybody will just go in shop because of all this nonsense. At the last 3 weeks, last 4 weeks, same thing are happening. Small time, you can't see healers and can't say, hey, now you buy that and last week, this and that. And just carry the person go. But today is supposed to be better. So that's what is happening here. We are in danger here. We don't know what to do. Bad road everywhere. Even the one where we are totally confused, Mazen.
Thank you very much. We cannot be confused. You see, once you know there is a problem, that problem is half solved. Our people must know what is there. Because very soon now they will tell your children, do you know that Buhari is the defender of Nigeria? You will agree. But Buhari was the person who trained the first area boy, the first militant. The first Curtis was trained by Buhari. They used them to overthrow Shagari, Buhari boys. Then Babangida now trained his own and used his own to take over Buhari. So you know where it starts from. And then you will know whether they can be able to solve the problem. Thank you very much. We must continue.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Nobody should be moved. Nobody should panic. Just know what is coming and wait for them. When I tell people, all these people who are thinking, hey, we are conquering them, we will take over their land, we will do that, they don't know what is coming for them. All those tents they are building along the road, collecting money, behaving like Van Damme, they don't even know what is coming for them. If they know what is coming for them, if they know, let them not worry. So, Biafrans, don't let anybody deceive you. You have problems. Say, oh, let's call police. Oh, the police will help us. It's a lie. It's a lie. That is why you call police. Police come and help us. They will now ask you, those armed robbers, how are they? Are they tall? You say, yes, they are very tall, muscular. You say, yes, very muscular. Are they yellow? You say, I can't say because it's dark. Were they speaking English? You are the one who will tell them the very department of Nigerian criminal agent that come to rob you. Then the moment you finish the description, you see that, oh, he's their man. They say, okay, there is no fuel in our motor. Let's see what we can do. And then so, oh, security situation. We are buying gunboat, we are buying armed robber, we are buying armored car, jet bomber. Let's come down criminal. But you're the one who is breeding them. Are you there, caller on the line? Caller on the line, are you there? Of course, that is epileptic. But we must continue. Caller on the line, can you hear me? So tell us what is happening in your area. The last thing you will do is to be panicking for them. Are you there?
Hello.
Yes. Go ahead, please. The last thing you can do is panicking for them. It will never stop. That is what they want. But we have a choice to make. Are you there, caller on the line? Go ahead, please. Of course, the Zoo Epileptic Network can do their own, but then we must continue. And so, out of excitement, they lose focus. When you call, focus on your radio, nobody is chasing you. And sometimes I wonder when somebody will make a call, cannot calm down and coordinate itself and make the call. Sometimes I wonder how you are going to defend our land. It's amazing. Are you there, caller on the line?
Yeah, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay, my name is Kiman. I'm calling from Imo State. Yes, I'm just calling to just what happened to me last month. I went to Patagot at Igrita for work. Some gang of native from June. The Yoruba people, they call security, they give security at Igrita at Umuchim Bamboo side. I had the mention of that place one time on your group. Honestly, those people nearly want to kill me on title.
Sorry. Thank God you brought this matter up. You know, it's amazing and very shameful people that Ikwere people now hire Yoruba to watch their land.
Honestly,
and we are crying that Fulani want to watch over Enugu. You don't know, they call them Igbesu. Yoruba people now are the one watching over Ikwere land.
Honestly,
this thing you are saying, I see them. I see Ikwere boys. They will say, we go bring Igbesu boys, make them watch over here. It's amazing. I'm happy you are just saying this.
Yeah. I just when these things happen, I just said that I must put people life on air, so I let them hear what we are getting through. And it might get us surprised that all those recruited people, they are still scrambling. In fact, they don't know what is going on. And I was telling one of them
there is still land to sell, and their shell is giving them little stipends to keep them lazy, so they remain lazy. Where you talk now, hey, they are insulting us. You know the shame. You say you be Kwere, you be Niger Delta, you be Kalabare, you be Arabakara. You are bringing Yoruba in the name of Egwesu to watch you. On the other side, you have Kaduna Marine, Sokoto Marine. You know the shame.
That is the funny thing. The fact is, the people that is living in there, I was telling one of them, you people are living in danger because you don't know what you people are like to react.
Thank you very much.
You should rise against these people because one day they will just kill anyone and not do anything they want to do. I don't have enough.
Why would Yoruba be security in Rivers State, where 90% of the DPO in Port Harcourt are Yoruba people? Why wouldn't they do that? But I pity the people. I pity Biafrans who are still doing fine boy. I pity all of you because that better way you they grow. When you go run leave them, when you go set, you go know. Yeah, it's our land, it's our land, it's our community. The war that is coming, no bound. The war that is coming for Nigeria, no bound. The earlier everybody know and stand, the better for all of you.
Yes, sir.
That's
it. Thank you, sir. I'm very so much happy for you. We should keep it on that. We are people. Well, we are just standing by any day that you open mouth to say that we should look at we are saying that I'm not going back. That's why I must come. Whether life or
are you there? Call on WhatsApp.
Yes, good evening, sir.
Good evening from here. Go ahead, please. Situation.
Yes, the truth is that our people, the major problem we are having is most of our people.
Report. Situation report. Our people didn't do anything. Situation report.
Situation report in this area is police moving about. I don't know if they are police because most times they move with ordinary cars that are not police vehicles. I had an experience a few weeks ago. They just drove in, stopped our keke, and started. They told the woman we don't go to one side, and they started searching us. So when they searched the driver, searched the other guy, I asked them, what did happen? Any problem there? One hits my chest. So whether I think said them be yelling, then the police for this area when I said no. So what be the problem? I said what happened when I come they harass us. One took off my cap. So whether and I kept shouting on top of my voice because I did not allow them intimidate me. When they saw that I was not giving up, that people were beginning to gather, they quickly entered their car. Look at them, because they are not police from the area that I stay. Now, why did they just come and they go up with this? Where should they go from? They go with cars that are not police cars. Now we don't even know who is police here because sometimes they are in mufti, putting more pump like all these boys that load bus. So that I want to see that happen. Don't allow yourself to be because if you allow yourself to be to a different area to have people
I think that line is unstable. Of course, it's zoopiletic network. Hopefully, we have come to the end of this segment. But before I draw the curtain, I have to take one call more, and then respond to one issue on the Facebook social media platform. Are you there, caller on WhatsApp?
Hello, Mazi. Good evening.
Good evening from here. Situation report.
Mazi, I want to correct one thing about somebody called now and said we are confused. IPOB is not confused. Let him take correction for that word he said. We are not confused. That is one point. And the other one I want to say that I want to advise our people that are going this Yoruba church. Those that are going this Yoruba church, you pay your tithes, they buy jets, and they build school, be university, be primary school, be nursing school, but none of your children are attending those schools. You are very foolish. You are an idiot. Yoruba, they are just like Ghana. Even in this country, a Ghana can never attend the church of any Biafra, any Igbo man. Any Biafra church, Yoruba can never attend it. I shame onto those people who are attending Yoruba church. They are buying jets, buying everything, building hospitals, building schools, but none of them are attending the school. Even in this Europe we are, there is even Benny Hill, René Bonke is a citizen of this country, but there's no crusade. They can never make any crusade in this country. But all of them that are going in a black nation and
they are
making
coming
crusade.
To deliver me.
Yeah.
They want to deliver.
They are coming in black land and making a crusade. Even here, if you want to make crusade in any stadium, government will tell you how many billions will pay in that stadium. None of them. If you go to in Europe here, no, all these pastors, Benny Hill, somebody give him $1 million, he faint. They give Benny Hill. He said, "What are you talking? $1 million?" So all these people that say that are going to Yoruba church, shame on them. Mazi, continue your good work. God bless you.
Thank you very much. And hopefully that will be the last caller for this segment. And then our brother on social media with the name, only God knows whether it's Israel or Saudi Arabia. You see people from Agbo, people from Umunede, Ueli, Ibanke, Kwale, etc. We are not hearing your voice. I personally don't like that notion. I don't like that impression. I don't like that complaint. Only those who are actually ignorant about where they come from see that on this platform. There is nobody, for instance, if I go by the name you have given, Abo. Who is Abo? Umunede man is Abo. Ibake man is Abo. Okwane man is Abo. All the name you have mentioned is Abo. Abo simply means society or family. Family. Abo means family. That is why when you say I am from Abo, the next thing they will ask you is which side of Abo. So when you say something, you are just saying, oh, Igbo people don't call on Radio Biafra. Igbo people don't call. Enugu don't call. Anambra don't call. So who is Igbo people? Who is Enugu? Who is Anambra? So sometimes when you want to ask question, ask. And the other thing I want to tell you is, you don't know who is Abo man. You will not know who is Igbodo man. You will not know who is Anyocha man. You will not know who is Ndokwa man. You will not know who is Osimiri man. You will not know who is Okwane man. You will not know who is Ebake man. You will not know who is Eboto man. You will not know Munede, Utowiri, Alishime, Mbiri. You will not know them by their name. Because until we speak Abo, you don't know who is Abo. Until we speak Abo, you don't know who is Igbo. You don't know who is Abo. So sometimes somebody from Olu will call because he listened to Radio Biafra. Oh, Olu people don't call. Olu people don't call. But it's Olu man that is broadcasting. Let's not be fast to say what we don't know. I have a friend from Akwa Ibom. His father's name is Okoro. So if he come on air now and say, my name is Okoro Desmond, you will think he's a Nugu man. You go back to Orobo, go back to Shekiri, go back to Ijon, tell them to tell you 5 of their father name before their father. You will see all of them are Igbo man. I don't like that notion. I don't like that notion. Everybody do your job. Leave the rest in. When they tank on you, will know who is who. As far as I'm concerned, I can give you data of the way people are responding to this movement. I can give you data. It's amazing that somebody from Imo State will say, Imo, wake up, Imo, wake up. But I challenge you anywhere in the world. Any IPOB family you will meet in the world, say if you are from Imo, stand up. You will be surprised. Half of that gathering is Imo State people. But it's amazing. In Imo State, nothing is happening there. But yet, Imo State people rule this struggle. When I mean rule this struggle, they are there everywhere. When I finish saying, go and carry out the experiment. In any meeting you go to, Imo State people stand up. You will see more than half of those people you see sitting down will be Imo State people. But somebody says, how Imo wake up, how Imo wake up. Don't worry, God is the one who is doing what he's doing here. But of course, you can call and encourage, let them come. When somebody come on and I say, oh, my name is, I'm from Ekpeye. When he says Ekpeye, you think it's Saudi Arabia. But this is Igbo man. So is it when they begin to speak their language? Because not everybody does. Only when they call their name. And let God help them call their English name. You know, see my name, George. Related to George Bush and George Washington. How will you know I'm Abo man? Well, I will be signing off from here. Those who have here, let them hear. Because people that say, oh no, Akwa Ibom people know they talk. You know, not say we get Akwa Igbo. You know, not say for Cross River State, you get large community where be Igbo. So when they call, he say, my name na Ikechiku, you go to say na Abia man or na Imo State man. You know, not say my name na Unyema and I be Niger Delta. Make we no digress anyway. I don't like that notion. Talk your own. You be concerned, more concerned about your village people now. If I have more time for this segment, I will bring people from those regions. I will open the line for all of them. I will, in fact, when they call from their intonation, I know who they are. I will tell them to begin to introduce themselves so you'll understand. So please, let's not be doing that. Encourage your people to come on air. It's okay. Don't tell them they are not coming on air because you are demoralizing those of them who are even working hard without their voice being heard. That is for record purposes anyway. But in the end, we must continue. They will know.
I wanna talk about a man who loves Biafra. I wanna talk about a man who is a hero. I wanna talk about a man who has Biafra at heart. Nnamdi Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, I can see you, you are a godsend. Nnamdi Kanu, you are a hero to our world. You made a footstep, you are a great man. You did a great work, you made a full speech, you are a great man. Oh, double keep on. Nnamdi Kanu, you are the one. You read history like a man. Nnamdi Kanu, you are the one. You broke history like a man. Nnamdi Kanu, you are the one we are talking about. You are the hero of our land. You made us to understand the history of the world. You made us to understand you are leader. I want to know you. You are a strong man. I want to know you. You are a strong man. One man's sport over all. One man's sport all over the world. They are
Biafra man, the lion who is in the Zion. Now the Kanu, you are the one. When I hear your voice, it makes me stronger. Yeah. When I hear your voice, I see the enemies trembling. Yeah. When I hear your voice, I see the Biafra stronger. The people in the Zion, everybody raise their hands for the hero. And I'm becoming wrong. You are a good sense to learn. You set the trap, the two for inside. You set the trap, you had emotion. You rise your voice, yeah, you say it so strong. When you speak out loud, the outside is confused. The Yoruba man is confused, the Zulu is in confusion. You are a true Biafran from. When I look at you, I see the maker you. I see the spirit of death in you. Move on, move on, move on. We are right beside you. We are in your left and your right and your back and your front. We are with you, our brother. It makes you stronger. Have you seen a Biafra? The true son of Biafra. He is a true hero.
Yes, sir. Without wasting much of our time, we will be going to our studio in Andoni province. Reporter from Andoni studio, can you hear me? Reporter yes, from Andoni.
Am I coming out clear?
Yes, go ahead, please. The world is listening.
Okay. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, and good night to some of you lovers of freedom. My name is Sunday William Okusi. I'm from Ngo Town. Ngo Town is in Andoni district of Biafra land, here in Ikocha province. I want to present news in my language. Permit me, please. Eboblo imi frego. Eboblo imi nyegwe. Eboblo imi wulegwe. Oblo imi ko. Inyoti ka uke rienga rien Sunday William Okusi. Nga mamango. Amango ikwe mi zobli ikwe mi mine zob Biafra. So sere blo kwebe. Okwe mi nizon. Okwe mi ama. Oya ikwe mi ido. Erebilo ko diki ni dangame radio Biafra anki beso so o tu pin sabro mu gale igale titin mi ro join IPOB ise ze krokan idokizi ikare Nigeria ire din gang kinyi me bin tekinyi sekri tuma tiko nyenyi ebere rion ubo history ozebe met mu ma tiko nyenyi ibeke before Nigeria mele Biafra to ebeti ke idokizi re Biafra Anko Oblo, you claim is all Biafra. Oblo, you can't claim is all Nigeria. Hey, Auntie Dwayne, Eregele Yekwebe, Ugane, Wayaya, Mensabon, Ebin Kulu, Ebubong, so, Ebu Wita, Igole, it is a crocodile doggy. Usling Bonsi Queminizo, Nkike, Urafio Queminizo, Ebequa, my Ekire Roye, Urafio Queminizo, Ebequa, my Ekire. Balek Ebama Miss Mubingan, Miliki, Eastin Bomb and Remu, Otonimi Go Lake Milipa, the rock is making schooling out the Kaipa, the rock is making a graduate the Kaipa. Again, the Syrian for the rock they give ability to Ba. Trophy a guy thing, he says the blue. A crocan, President Christy. Ubas the Bob Christy to us to when one mobility is missing, but they wait to get start making palette. The carrier is up to get the hero. Okiro cannot make the whole of his job Biafra. And you give free Pambu Black and you can't go to it. But in Kiro Eben Young, you making your tick okay. Go to Gizire gay. The necessary gay, let it go. The necessary gay, Lekizi, Mileba Nambra, the necessary game Lekizi, Milady Bayasa. The necessary game Lekizi, Milady Apabu. And such a gay, Pequem Lekizi. O to Gizire gay, O to Gizire gay, as them bank. Area was it. Okpo area kubang emagi chiri awazi. Ebi go area awazi. Ezebo bulo area awazi. Kaya kibe inyoti ka ogero so ile ekwebe. Ika tibe ne gifian. Go to gizirege. Ezbeka any different. The work and work of the British government. It was the okay. Ezekweli ebuku kogire chere ezberi ole bingwangi. Osi mule ogu igbomo kibere ikare ngwangu. Otu gizire ngwang. Bunese go kelezi. Eyan kibe oso. Ika tibe ne gefian. Eba usa me fulani ngbo many fiazi. Ini saruga ini so isi hotele. Ini boy zokizi. Neki ro rap ngwang ebingangizi. Neki ro rap ebingwang ebin cyber ebingangizi. Uli bi kai kunye buga negizi. Ebubo meki igog ebi nkulu agatumu. Iki bi kwita ma pa pe ki ro nkulu nwenwan pe ki kristo matiko. Iki bi irege lu kunyotika okay. Sare ya sara atikwa. Ebo sunwo obulezi izrebo bulo. Ebo sunwo obulezi izrene. Kai gi pele nkata soso ikai ikata nke be soso odugunye ka titi Europe ni zo okwe na abroad okwe Malaysia eregelo kwedo ni kini danga nyoti ka uke ro listen to Radio Biafra isoko gro kwen nkpa ka zesa di chep ezme kan freedom ki zo taka odugunye blade ni nwo irion ukwo ga eze kwebe men ki kare zero ire mize ogbo awazogbo be di intent kizi omaga ze ibu kwerele chireke konki benye de chireke kawazimo tinye zimit pasu wa misi rojo na IPOB mezekro kan amubo kizi ezekro kan ubo kizi awaziri ya ogun kulinu Nnamdi Kanu ogwo wazori abinu ibini tu aze fumo mitu etin omaga local fi bodo otun pogele tumubi yero shinga bunun pa ika itumbe ikaro bi shinga Islam le Biafra and Biafra mo nungo ngbo mi ka fi angbo be Biafra mo na ki beso sere ko ika gi gbini unyi be zebo bleke gbini ko go ika gi gbini iwi ri on atiko ko eme mi ri on ubo yen be si to ebo kisi npomo zinwon ba le ezime le ko free ezime ku ri ezo but ezime ku ri ezwe gi ri ko ezime kan wi iri memu but bekri ro o ito auto nyi nge ka ho ki tubo yen be ki simbom izo ye kron simbom be uneri ki kwe so te boblo so eblo ko ri rojo na Ise zekro kan Biafra bale Biafra ni nga kunun poge yobo kiro awazokunye enki bedo glo kwe bi ton mu mi no kwele eri awazi uba sari ni danga mi no tika oge ika frank bo bi ta fare ngo so inyele awazi mo tu bonye enki benyi inyo tika oge yegwi wule o fi ngba se mi ene re gwo William so ke mo inu mo de Radio Biafra ene ni oni ramba. Thank you George Oni the God bless you and all principal leaders of IPOB working for the restoration of our freedom. I thank you so much. Thank everybody, our leader, Mazi. Now the chairman, I say, may to bless them all. Thank you as I sign out from here in Andoni Studio. From me, from here.
Little friend. Listen very well. We want to Islamize, don't want to keep. We need to go, we need a freedom. We need a Biafra restoration. United Nations declare them wanted because they want to kill us. They want to wipe us. They want to finish us. They are the one. The Boko Harams. They are the one. Please declare them wanted. They are the thieves and the criminals.
Yes, we are going to our correspondent from Kalabari Studio. Reporter from Kalabari Studio, are you there?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear, sir.
Go ahead, please, the world is listening.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, great Biafrans all over the world. I remain Sebi Lake Justin. I am a Biafran. Once more, I want to speak to our people in our local dialect. Yama Kalabari Studio come na friend. One am I and a pona, follow that one, what is that one as a big on a friend. One in care for one at Lapo, one a woman, one of yak, one is yak, as a lake on a tree. Yet also did that. Nimba baka bote pa gbele mse wa duge neke paka bote bo pa ekonomu. Nimba be ko sake boya ne. Moko o si wiki krabe ane ina namake jama afna ma ba ina ku. Ite nama ane nke mo na frima wa ke. Moko wa pa gbele me duge o ba me se wa ba la yiru ya ni wa duge. But me dem kra me na wa duge na kra. On nama ke de be ano piki be ni mlese. On a career. Some unjike on a train. One of which never ye go terego can you blame me. But not for time I want to go there. Not on Nama and what they now remember going in a buye to swap family. Sit a number of them on a frame. In a name I pay ya. Sit in a buye to swap it. What was the woman got out of the name to find. In minute, just 3 mutamu and King Fante, the one at the river. In fact, there are better. Yeah, let's move here. Don't want to drive now. Milamo, if I fete, if you say, ya woman, Yamana for not present. In a never pay fans, I got to be sacked. In fact, if you win, you want to go away, what is that with your fans? Emily, there is pull up on that, a what up on damn up on go up in an education career. But if you're better terminate, if there would have been Namane, sit and now nothing to one like the Rebana, if they rebel, and that's more fully. Moko wa buta ka ko se be fine o ti we ko na goloma because ani we wani Calabar ma wa fanye ko yesin sin wona na ni ten na ke big mo na play back see na ke amambo so ye because why ko yesin then go go just like that the ni na balama si ni ani itamu ngani man because am was promote when you go na play okay ni free ma ke mo na bla okay we to mo na free mo ke be you are the one ni ten ani we wona passion take on airfine o many pacifi o many sake o by nama pema out of fulani in looking in throughout like one ma na do ni de mo ki bi em because man everybody ba fama e wani le meset ke ne ba ma kini feba but this feba so tam no try press me bo latre ni e ante me ko e ye me bala ki ye na ke ni tembo me ne mu pema e ben se na wo so si je wa na ma se be ko apo plus everything. What's the damage you pay? If you pay us, or walk in, or body mess of the any, in something good and the way Miss Anime pay. How many number will show? Or number you can make you any, in what is happened, the cake process of Panama, the magnet is correct. What is it correct? In a never by you, one in pulling about family. Ah, he's showing another go on at the time. In Tebo, Monday, Tuesday, and then Salah. I'm never Salah. Then I say, and not with idea. In the man, there being an exam. But now I'm not going to book on it. You can't push him with a banana and take him at the paper. Full and yeah, you're full. In that, what you will some more document from the other boy. You do it. The Afra, the reality. In the like whether you believe, I mean, you have rights to yourself. But that the Afra, you must use it from it. I mean, go to you don't want to go great. You don't want to buy the go great. You wear your phone. You want many, you need it in Nanga. All many Nama would so. Pass is around checking. I was a full and million go every day on the town in family. Pass is man, I think I'm not because I was a job with a Quemba. Fragments of a book with a coin. Here you go, clear you. Here, I've been so because you are not good in a fee. Begin with nothing. Here I'm not fee because in 9. We come to you and do your package in family. They are not fee. You put a fee. You are a fee. Just bring up. You mean not packet. They are what they make a yes, can I be no con. So that one you go get yes and one you go get on America call but you share the shiba. If you want to reception, non gana personally. Si mi wa ke mo te pa ja e kwamba. Iye mi aka go gas ndi ko na atre. Iye pa. Ibi la te je sa me pa yere. Thank you Mazi. So je you go everyone of you. That to accumulate the 19 years of God. God should continue to uphold you, give you the wisdom. No weapon fashion against our person, whether they like it or not. The outcome must come. We will all dance and celebrate as He has always done. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.
Biafra, Biafra Kadindu. Biafra Kadindu. Emeka unu si Biafra. Emeka unu si Biafra. Biafra. Nawe maso gabiri. Agama hapu. Biafra. Nawe maso gabiri. Biafra Kadindu. Biafra Kadindu.
One conspired with his fellow Nigerians to massacre over 2,000 Eastern Nigerians in May 1966. This is genocide. The one murdered his supreme commander, took his mantle of office, and proceeded to direct the extermination of army officers and men of Eastern Nigerian origin. This is genocide. The one plotted and executed the wholesale massacre throughout Nigeria of persons of Eastern Nigeria origin in September 1966, killing over 30,000 defenseless men, women, and children. This is genocide. The one genocidal act orchestrated the mass exodus of millions of Eastern Nigerians resident in different parts of Nigeria, abandoning all their property, businesses, and their means of livelihood. This is genocide. The one refused to compensate Eastern Nigerians who have lost all their properties as a result of his activities. This is genocide. The one permitted the wanton destruction of properties, looting, rape throughout those areas of Biafra overrun by his troops. This is genocide. The one ordered the forcible transfer of Biafran children from their homes in Biafra to Nigeria. This is genocide. For all this act, the one stands condemned for genocide, a crime condemned by the civilized world under international law, a crime against humanity, a crime against God.
Hello, Biafra, lovers of freedom. Have you heard about the project Odemena? Means never again. If yes, be part of the newest edition organized by IPOB UK Family, Biafra Education Awareness Day. Biafra Genocide Exhibition, 2 days of more revelation, discovery, insights to all that you need to know about the Biafra Genocide. Date, Friday, 16th August 2019, Saturday, 17th August 2019, time 12 p.m. till 8. Venue, Goldsmiths University of London and Lewisham Way, New Cross, SE 14, 6MW London. Remembering all Biafran victims and victors, we shall defend our lives or we shall perish. The Biafran struggle is big, strong, and more reliable, with Mazi Nnamdi Okukano, deputized by Mazi Uche Mefo. This is coming to you from the office of the UK National Coordinator and the Genocide Exhibition Committee.
Yes, we must continue, and everybody get ready for that day. Without wasting much of our time, I will be presenting my own news in Abodite. Ndị agba ekele m ọnụ ebe ọlụ n'ọrịle n'ọrị n'ọnụ ma ba ma nne ma dada ụwọ ma baba ụwọ ma nne menwe ọnụ ụrọ George Onyibe redio ga na-agwa ọnụ ebe ọlụ n'ọrịle n'ọnụ tehi ụra maka na iwe ntineja abụghị m ofu anya mpịamarị utelu mene nyile raze fan mene nyile wonde Nigeria kana nyamara eziokwu ne ndị Nigeria ọnụ kọrị ndị Nigeria ndị omeni we nwe ihe ebubi wechonu we menyi ya ha oje no kese ne hu rugudu kitwe ton lo rugudu de rutan kitwe mule nenyi de ruga weje munde munenyi de ru oga ne melure kuku rugudu no kono eziokwu ro no nwe ndị nkenyo meni we atakeme we no gbashihu achọ m mkpufawe ano menu no amari ande ni riku no anoki mewo no ka amari na elenya ngwere ko je elu enwo weso onye kekeme onye kwekọ hụ sondi ko obali ni so na nwe ni kenya ekejiri ele anya ihu eje anya isi ni we ho aga ihu enyi nwa amari ale ni Omeni chukwe yenini we kawasa karebu erutan. Rejo no. Ndi nkenyi lo meni were akata were olo. Ihe menenyi onenyi meme big boy. Enya abamba ihu egbu mba agha himebele. Kani lala ni miri ni izwe irutone okame ihe alewu. Ndị munenyi simbumbu miri ama nwonya agbo. Anile na ame mono. Ebo olo no rele. Anile no nyo no. Kwedo mama ekopia elekwa kadobe ihe reje ekwu ebe ahụ one ihe ole ni chole enyi nwa kwesịrị na kwademe ihe ole omeni ya kwechoko kwesịrị na kwademe maka na agha we kwademe lu ori ndị ngoro rijoga na agwo no kwademe ni chelu ni lalane maka na omenu nyo lerero ni enyi nwa onwere ihe kemeni ihe kemekwa o ihe keme o meli uso mari ihe wijuku ikari ase o mele ndi igbo enyele ndi igbo nso gbuaria kan ihe le kewe fa di kewe fe bi no bia ihe le chari ndi igbo kan ihe le onye igbo onduga na ologa nke rije onwenye igbo ali o oga na ologa nke rije ememe nyura aka na onye domute onye tikute ọrahịa akpakale rijuga na agwọ no chọ na IPOB inokime n'ọnụ ebe ole rile jeda abaye ile weri me kemelewe kani chukwu amani n'ihe ohu ya ka eje pohebin inweri onwenyi ani ole anyi ka eme na eji nweri onwenyi chukwu ya ine ka na enweri onwenyi rijuga na agwọ no ndị Fulani ni ndị Hausa ni ndị Yoruba ni regbu ndị nkenyi ala ni waka na-enye ndu enwe waka na-enye ezi ka na-enye wepụ ala wenye utekenyi wepụ ma wenya ya ha wejiri ume ikifo wehwa wenya wehwa Kenya tehin na ndị ahụ maka n'ihe anyị riku umene ya alụ n'ọgụ na onwene ka alụ na-enye ya o ndị ahụ akpọ ndị Igbo akwademele o were akwadem ọhụma o ndị jọrọ akwadem ọhụma o ndị akwa bọrọ akwadem ọhụma o ndị ka tehin ụra o onore Edo steeti rasụ n'ụwa ndị idu tehin ụra o bọọlụ n'orile o ndị Igbo do ndị ọbịa ndị anyocha n'ule tehin ụra o tehin ụra na-eke fele o maka n'igbo onye tehin ụra ya wike ya ụtụtụ a agwazi mono kendo ọgwụgwọ bụ chọ na IPOB baye IPOB unu ndị ri orogodo menụ n'ụwa n'olu ma IPOB ji orogodo jada baye ni ba ọnụnụ mgọ mara ihe dị meni Nikochukwu nọ na-eyi oro na agwa wee kwademeni na agha alala ndị Asaba eru ebe ahụ were memeni wewu ndị wa Nigeria ihe ndị Awụsa Fulani ndị Babangida Abacha we Fulani me ndị Asaba wekesa ka sọpụ ha onwe wede ruta enyaneka menu ihe ahụ menu enyarịka ụra ndị ọzọ were ihe ewu nkenyu mama ni were menu uru ọnụ kesa onwe ihe nyinwe ihe nyinwe butekwa wu jemen tọkpụ nụ ebe buta nọrọ agha ali apụ ha kaneli ihe bịa dagwo n'okiken jama bọnụ n'ụwa egwu a resuru ebe ahụ ali ndị ụkwụ ali kaneli ihe bịa dagwo n'okiken ihe rabụ omene ihe n'ọtọ dalụ agha ne dalụ ọgụ ni nwere onwe enyi ugwu ka ndị nike wepụ enyi chukwu ya yi na-enye ka nika ọha mekele ọnụ ọrị n'ọnụ mma mbeleni
Very well. Untraditional minds don't want to keep. We need to go, we need a freedom. We need a Biafra restoration. United Nations declare them wanted because They want to kill us. They want to wipe us. They want to finish us. Hey, they are the one. The Boko Haram.
Yes, sir. From the Abo studio, we will be going to Ekpeye studio. Reporter from Ekpeye studio, can you hear me?
Or do the Yoruba deny?
Can you hear me?
I can hear you, yes.
Go ahead, please. The word is listening.
All right. Good evening, Biafrans. Good afternoon, Biafra. Good morning, Biafrans. Wherever you are, this is Okoroba Nwachukwu standing in a place studio, streaming from Radio Biafra Extra. I'm here to tell people what is our at stake today as far as Biafra is concerned. Please let me use my dialect and talk to my people. A Pelicano, I will want to cook Roba, Mabo Ibugo, Ibugo Sibile, Ahoda province in Biafra land. If you put a lamb, and they near Emu Biafra Oja. Emu Jima Biafra. Biafra Biafra Mom. When I don't know this as I say. He was a government in Nigeria look at the mom. Government in Nigeria where Nigeria. As a back to talk. Mark Biki Karabun in Nigeria. Then a book with them, you are Biafra. Nigeria. The which means Nigeria will Ukibo. Ukibo Nigeria where Ukibo the Kunuzoke. A Yagamaka Ukibo the Kunuzoke. A minimal outcome of Biafra. Yaziru Akito Mai. When would you come at Ritayin? You should come with Ritam. Jumina Akritona. Do the next bashe comme Biafra kritayi because lime epetam epeyasi me Biafra comme epeyaza lime Biafra Biafra ye abu obodo obodo maza lime Biafra onu de ke ule okay onu de ka karu de ka tibaya be de ko juma de lime Nigeria de wazna heli Nigeria ni nemia obodo a Epeya lime obodo Biafra. Bamu jibi epeya lime obodo Biafra. Ndu di epeya be. Basuko, Baseka, Basopia, Okedonu, no Biafra ga. Abu Shilpo Molela. Lewe wala di gare look at it. Udu di meme Abu Biafra. Lego obo. Lipe touch. Lego pastor. DJ Buto Bobo. Lego Hodibia. Bibia. Udno Penemu. Ledo Sidibia. Level no pepe. Udno Pepe. Defa. Uja. Ini semene de mom. Biafra lo logo madna hapo ku Biafra. Trigo modo. Bo topom e dangure nam de kanu. Bo ko suru walu kunile mari de azola popo wa. Lewe Biafra ya bo ya si de ke ko ba bo Nigeria. Batili Chicago. Nigeria mo Biafra gonera. Nigeria ogawoye. Nigeria mepe mo munye petrolo nunu. Nigeria mepe munye pe ugo jale ye. Emine pe ya la ni hulime Nigeria. Ya Nigeria o se ya ka ko ya bo Biafra. Obomu ya bo Biafra abaru Chineke chiko kike abena. Ube pa mo mu yon libni obodo. Nyeje na krebo bu. E pe ya so do Nigeria. To ma so do Nigeria. Obomu ya se ya. Yesu do. Karudo. Ono majokudo. Ono majokudo. Ujizo na amali de pela papa madomu mi gbaya. Litita me pela majokum ni Biafra di baye. Ya bu ni Nigeria.
abia donne ne ba metuti ya masha na usa metuti ya masha ni fulani metuti ya masha ekpe ya metuti ya masha iyu fodi ne be abia ko obìnrin ṣe lẹ́lẹ̀ èmi náà fẹ́ jíbí èmi náà fẹ́ jíbí bàá èmi náà fúlàní jíbí bàá èyí ẹni pọ̀ gírí ní nàìjíríà tá mo sẹ́ mo bọ́ wọn lè dọ́ abápò ọ̀tẹ́tẹ́ nàìjíríà ní ẹ̀pẹ́ ya lọ́bí wu tùmọ́kà mi nìyí ẹ̀pẹ́ ya bò Biafra tó ń jí ní ẹ̀pẹ́ ya bò Biafra ààrẹ ilé Biafra ẹ̀yà kìrìsì ní ìbùnú ẹ̀pẹ́ ya lọ́gọ̀ ihu. Parce que même quand on a Biafra, mais pas celui mais quand on goûte de quand on est à quel on dit vous et on peut pas gagner c'est pas un peu pour gagner il met femme à la nièce c'est mon dieu lui met et quand on même mérigateur et il y a mérigateur mérigateur et peut le gars plaque comme libération beati. Même si on a beaucoup de Biafra, il y a quand même il y a été bon. Parce que nous bonnes à nous bonnes éliminer la dire pas. On voit ça net comme nous. Et il y a il système au j'ai. Et il y a intellectuel ou nous kebier. Comme le milieu peut tout faire nous. Au j'ai. Nada et que signe de question. Ou que signe que signe de meilleur. Avec de l'autre, si tu n'es pas l'humain à dire à l'Tambo, il y a des petits mots gourmands. Mais les gens au cabane, tu n'es pas, tu veux tout boire, tu veux tout boire. Et même à l'oulan, on m'a dit, mais quand l'humain Biafra, il y a des petits cobos. C'est le général Tam, il est que quoi, mon panogramme. On va Biafra, là, Nadia, ou Jabe. Et on va dire Biafra. Mais le point est tout seul, il y a le clé. Il y a le point qui a il va vous Biafra. Because dans the name de Kanokume, comme là, la Biafra nous dit le référendum. Référendum, la femme, n'est pas. Qu'est-ce que nous Biafra? Est-ce que c'est Nigeria? Nigeria, nous ne disons pas. Comme un minette, on a l'air. Comme un lettre aussi. Et puis, Ibu pata, ezi bako, ezi bubudia, ezi bubube. Ada ni ezi ezi ma oja ti ni pe. Ye na mo je la mo o ka ni tele. Ubo e pe me mu goje pe lo gbede pe. Ada ka ni lu obo ti ko ma je le pe lo obo ti ma je le pe. Ukuru be ni IPOB. Mo ye mu ga ga do. E de referendum ni ade ni e pe ya we. Ke re ti sibe. Look up Biafra mi na ati to baye. Because we are the Kagamalam. The Pomujumu or Lukadum. When you go to Biafra, Yama the Pomu Biafra, Akame, Yakame Baka. Michitam, never government is Mawama, the Biafra, who created Habe. Did you not looking the Biafra Yakari, that Yakari Muno? To Makam Yak by Modo. Mamma Wata Makabe Muka. But to Kabika Maluku, Johnny, Makuli, Biafra will be only a little bit already. Say, someone will not a little already. Caponi, a pair of Soponi. I never been Biafra. Ego, all our say, Mamma said, Okama will be Biafra, move Biafra video. Women never pass the Katakodoka. I never go to that will be. Because in the German, a pair go to Karuni, the Yazigo Tabo, Bugorishin, Bugorishin, and me, Militam, Ahu, Omota Kuria of the Martin. So, Nigeria, but in the net, when they play the politician, Nigeria will not pay. Politicians, what is here, I don't take a dozen. They put the yes, don't come and Munyaka, we are Rubuya, a plan of mechanic. Because, AM, Akela Baka. Let us get my room there. And that, a place to know, they can.
Little friend. very well. They want to Islamize, they want to kill. We need to go, we need a freedom. The need of restoration.
Yes, sir. From the Peye studio, we will be moving to our studio in Arochukwu. Reporter from Arochukwu studio, are you there?
Yes, I am here.
Go ahead, please.
Mazi, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
I want to greet all Biafrans, lovers of freedom, all over the world. My name is Mazi Chijoke Inyama, reporting from Arochukwu studio. I want to thank you. May Chukwu continue to bless you. My people, Nda Arochukwu, all Chijoke Inyama, onye obi nkịta from Akweke family, onye na-agwa unu okwu na chọrọ egwu unu si unu n'ihe anyị na-eme bụ ihe a na-emere onwe anyị ọwụghị onye ndị ọzọ ka anyị na-emere na-agwa unu si unu biko ụmụnne m na-Arochukwu ma ndị nọ na mba ma ndị nọ n'ụlọ a sị na agbakọta aka nyụọ mamịrị na ọgbọ ọfụfụ biko pụta n'igwe ndị Arochukwu ka anyị were chọọ ihe anyị na-achọ nwanne anyị nwoke wụkwa na awa lida Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ka anyị were nweta ihe anyị na-achọ ule very well ga-ahụ na onweghị ihe ọbụla onye ute na Arochukwu ndị Awụsa eju na-eburu iwe ebe niile were na ma ha anyị na-aga n'ụzọ gaa na-ahụ nsị nama a na-azọ nsị nama anyị enwezighị ụzọ ndị nna anyị na-agazi ubi mmiri anyị na-aṅụ aṅụ ọ na-awụzi ndị ya na-akwe nama ndị Awụsa wụzi ihe ogaisha ya nsị anyị dọkọtara kuru ya na-aṅụ anyị ya na-ebutere anyị ezi ọrịa dị iche iche so nna-asị biko ụmụnne m na-akpọli unu ndị amụfị na-akpọli unu aga na-akpọli unu ndị ama na-agwụ ndị Igbo ndị isi mkpu ndị atani agbọ amụkwa ugbo ama nkwụ obi nkịta ọrụ amaọba ama na-agwụ ụjarị amasụ ugwu akụma utubu uburu ihe chiọwa aba na-atụ unu biko unu jikọta aka unu ka anyị were nweta ihe anyị na-achọ ka anyị nweta onwe anyị na-ekwuwere si Zanza 2015 rute n'ụbọchị a anyị tikọta aka anyị ka anyị nweta ihe anyị na-achọ ka anyị pụọ na kọntrị a na-akpọ Naijiria bikos onweghị uru ọ na-abara anyị ụmụ anyị na-aga skul onweghị ndị nna anyị onweghị onye nwe ego ji akwụrụ ụmụ ya ụgwọ skul pụta ọwụ na ịgba mbọ nweta Biafra mana na gọọmenti Biafra ga-enyere ụmụ anyị aka ha gaa skul ọbụla anyị chọrọ ka ha gaa anyị ga-enweta ihe anyị na-achọ so ụmụnne m na ụmụnna m na-atụ unu biko pụta n'igwe ka anyị were chụta ihe anyị na-achọ. Thank you. May Elohim Chukwuka abịa mma gọzie gị. Thank you and God, good night from here.
Reason very well. They want to Islamize, they want to kill. We need to go, we need a freedom. We need a restoration. United Nations declare them wanted because they want to kill us. They want to wipe us. They want to finish us. Hey. They are the one, the Boko Harams. They are the one, please declare them wanted. They are the liars, they are the cheats, thieves, and the criminals. Buhari, you are the one. Boko Haram, we know you. Israel, you up there. Support United Nations to declare them wanted. They want to Islamize us. They want to kill us all. They are the ones who go around. They can't stop Biafra. They have the bamboos and the monkeys. The people that just side, they are liars. They have the bamboos and the monkeys. They want to kill us no way. They are from us there. There's no going back. Cause we
Yes, we were moving right away to Izon Studio. Reporter from Izon Studio, can you hear me? Reporter from Izon Studio, are you there?
You are the one, you are very bad, we know you. You need a God, you need a weapon, you need a worship. What is your mind? Oh, Abashaya, you are the mind. Abashaya, soldiers in the zoo, think very well, reason very fast.
Yes, sir. Going back to our Izon Studio, reporter from Izon Studio, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear.
Good evening from here.
Can you get my return?
Yes, go ahead, please.
Okay. Thank you, African Rest, for bringing me in this evening to speak the gospel to my people. This is Radio Biafra Extra, reaching you from Izon Studio, Yenegoa, in Yenegoa province, Biafra land. And I am Tereke Abba. Tereke Abba is from Kuramagbang, but I'm in Yenegoa province, Biafra land. Of course, I'm an Izon man, and the whole Izons are Biafrans. We are Biafrans. Permit me to go to my language for my people to hear what is happening to us as Izon people and the larger group, Biafrans. Izon to annoy. Izon to annoy. Izon. The Buddha do no matter what allow. When you know, what could call the Buddha do not know. When you know, to continue wherever this is terrible. Mapa. Now the Buddha do not be any other. Radio Biafra is not a bit of a family and a garden of the there ain't no way be. But I say Abba. But I'm coming. I'm coming. Kura. Burma. Or Dorma to the Buddha Burma pool. Another time, the okay, Yenegoa, Igidevu Kenny, Yenegoa Igidevu Denia, Biafra. Now, when Biafra to Kuyafa, what the coaching of soil, what is Nana Bamo, or quite better Nigeria of fire caressing. Who would do we have in the awareness? What do we have in awareness? About me, they may go bring you the money about. I never in your money. You go bring your company. The one zone tomorrow, what they are through to myself when you don't do it, when they are through to it, because how I open what you learn that I won't go in the predator. Everything what you learn that I when you move back, when you have a bomb,
akan ngotol ma sani me bebe snam no so yor me ku da utumo dobe fibo omni ma no so me ade dai ni akoy berda me pura ba are me war farman na e ja ke siya farman na e ja kule farman na e tua ane mani nango beri akiri me war doni na mu zelekem ke zinti bekem ko ni no ko beri ba me pern ba ne ta ku ba me pern ba bitaba akene me nango bebalate ba na kene opobo ko ma pern ne tabe no na rere na ni ino na remere siri opo igenda ko betaba la ba me pern sakene che an woni betaba la ka pabo knome wota pabo ni ben na mai dedi ben kama ndo pan na Nigeria ide dan chi dedi we de kun mo tan war pabo me an pabo bala be nimya ka yesu Nigeria la kan godi ba ma chi me na ben bo bon na me arma na Nigeria kan ya diaspora kamiye be organize ko ben pala ke nongo ba ken ben na ken tiere kun ate yima jame barao winya that winya can zibo kurma ya ba no pe kurma ni awo is not true is not you can react in our make ba te yo a ni na wa bemba mu te ba ni mu we ba ba kan ngo men fa na ni la ni je kana kan ne e ti ya ga like ben ba akba man ba obli why do we prefer why no better na ila no no laki no bulubi tan ne jobo ema ankuri mo kitchen to bulubi an ne jobo an ne la tinda den ma woni na mama ne jona kama aka ne tinere ba to ko ni na ke woni na ke ne pere da nawo woni ya foto an woni ko tiye be yo be mebo ga mo pa mo na ko pren wo se bo ni mete yobe wo bin da ne ko be bo mu za ka mo be bo na mo para na ma ni ni ya be mebo na ko pren ni mo we di so ba ko po we kene we nam de kam e ro to na no we ko ko ni bo bara be mo si ba mo na kene Joshua barabe when come up me when go for my me ba be fio pula no to bo ya ki me ben ba fio nam de kan la pa na ko zo pa me bo ya ni ba me ben ba chi ni when biafra bara te ben na take e bo ma ni man e te me be fa e me ko when go for manu o kana mo ya ke ni o kana mo so je bule ni en bona ko pa be ke gonu ni ani o ba ni be gbe mo se de ke bara eri o ya ko ai na ta ni na ko ai so ma ko ai bo to puro ba ti me gbe mo se de to bo na ndia bo pass ni we be na mai de bo be ne be on de pa ti di ba na ma ti la na ke me to de and yi mo se de ba wa ke ko be bo pass ni we ne zo tu a when the afro to the back no gone ya be bore gbermo be ni obe ma gba me woni informo woni mo ngodi wani won na mo ni o fula to mo won na kan ro baro to an fere won ma wan kamo e ko sabe ina ngida ko ko atin na da Afrika no wani e so komio e so ko ri o komio e wanje mo fere wonye mo fere no e ko na ka to da arme ba o me ba ko to arme ke ma ba bo ni wula we na le Nigeria ko fere wonye kan sebe what to be away with me? When my baby below what look me and I love to look Nigeria come for the Akata for the French father. Who's not quite one of them will do that. A man candidate to do the cable. A man on Draba are booze. Now, I can do film for the watching on a bar or a bar on an arcade. It could be and the day don't you come out with Morris. So, the African said, Sabalan got you one day. Yeah, that you could go, what can go more anymore? What is I more? Mama, carrots, suya. What is I more? One pass the same, one African way, and you buy a fair on the top of our Cataclan, what by never could poison on more sacrifice a town of a corner for you. No pass the same, here and double. And that was Never more and I will be a control. When we go quite a good man, I have a sema. In our cocoa, they have been upon an Kuraku, just Mopper. My friends, thank you. Thank you for speaking to my people. The problem is facing us and the effect on me. And those who are hearing should tell those who do not hear. And encourage them to join IPOB. We must be free. It's our land.
Think very well, reason very well. Want to Islamize, don't want to keep. But if you go, we need a freedom. We need a Biafra restoration. United Nations declare them wanted because they want to kill us. They want to wipe us. They want to finish us. Hey, they are the one. The Boko Harams. They are the one. Please declare them wanted. They are the liars. They are the chiefs, thieves, and the criminals who hurry. You are the one. Boko Haram, we know you. Israel, you are there. Support United Nations to declare them wanted. They want to Islamize us. They want to kill us all. They are the one to go around. They can't stop Biafra. They are the baboons and the monkeys. The people by their side, they are liars. They are the baboons and the monkeys. They want to kill us. No way. They are from us. There's no going back. Because we are the will of God.